I think supercharging is a for sure win. Alrighty folks, today's video I'm going to teach you how to supercharge your Tesla, whether you're renting it, whether you are doing it for the first time. If you are renting it, it's super simple because Hertz, you don't have to put any credit card information in, you just plug and go. If you do need to set up your supercharging account, this video won't go into those details, but once you put that up, you're good to go. So because this is a Hertz rental car, I didn't have to do anything. It literally is on the map. Let me go ahead and show you here. Right now, we see that there are 2 available superchargers within the area here, and they'll pop up as red on your screen here. Once I came over to this area here, I just backed it up, I grabbed the plug, and I plugged it in. We'll take a look at the Tesla in just a second here, as now it is starting to fill up here with Model X's and 3s, etc. I'm getting 106 kilowatts, 438 miles an hour plus 15. We're looking at charge limit 263. 20 minutes remaining. This thing is a supercharger for sure, but you're gonna pay for it, definitely. Okay, so we're juicing up really nicely now. This is only gonna take me, I think, to about 80% or so. It will start to slow down once you hit, I think, the 80%, so that last 20% will be super slow. Now, when I actually got this car from Hertz, it was at 99% battery life, which was awesome. And this thing, man, no wonder people use supercharging, especially if you have the referral code and you get free supercharging. You sit here for 20 minutes on your phone. The air conditioning is on in the car as it's fully charging. This is a really cool concept, but it's not cheap. It's definitely cheaper than gasoline supercharging, but I was gonna go get some pizza with some friends, use my charge point with the adapter. Make a long story short, Hertz, a previous renter, lost it, and I went back to the airport to get another one, and they accused me of losing it. That's another story for another time. I just took a phone call. I got 14 minutes back on it. I think I pulled in with like 132. I'm at 184 within like 6 minutes, 7 minutes. That's fast. 185 miles now. All right, let's go look at the outside of the car. So again, because this is a rental, I literally just popped it from the computer. You just pop your little charge port here. I grabbed the plug, didn't do anything. No credit card, no nothing, plugged it in, and we have a little blinking green symbol right here. Obviously in the app, if you've already set up a credit card, etc. for supercharging, then that same method applies to you. Super simple, not having to unlock a level 2 charge point, but again, charge point is super cheap compared to this. These are the beefy generators in the back of the supercharging, and most of these superchargers are by hotels. You can grab a cup of coffee and just chill if you want to, and you just pull on up. Now, a lot of the Teslas, actually all the Teslas, what they'll do in the software is you'll actually input the supercharging and it will tell you if you can get there or not on your road trips. You can go supercharger to supercharger, and that's what Elon wanted to do with a whole network across America, as there is an empty one next to me here, but it's pretty much full. So just by talking with you for a couple minutes outside, I'm at 194 right now. And Teslas in this area, they're flying. There's just a lot of Teslas on the road. I'm currently in California, and they love their Teslas in California. So charging limit set to 80% to adjust limit if needed, and I won't do that. I actually got to get to a dinner here in about 45 minutes. That's why I'm just supercharging for about 12 more, and I'll head back to the hotel. So as you can see here on the map, there's only one available because the guy just pulled up, so the one next to me is the only one available. Let's go ahead and zoom out the map and you guys can see here. So further down the freeway, there's one over here and there's 2 over here. So they're, especially in Southern California here, look at, there's 8 down over here. I think that's down by Disneyland. 8 over there. Goodness gracious, yeah. So this is super cool with the maps here, being able to tell you where those superchargers are, so you're not fumbling around with your phone. So again, because it's putting me at 80%, I'm looking at 263 max. So in 11 minutes, this Tesla will be at 263. When I first picked up the car, it was 309 or like 308, 307, somewhere ballpark around there, because this is extended with 300-mile range. How much Hertz charges me for this? They don't upcharge. They'll bill the credit card on file. And I did notice as you start coming to the tail end, it actually starts slowing down with kilowatts. I mean, it really juices you, and then it kind of slows down a little bit. Calculating remaining. All right, so it's calculating it here, or wrapping up. Now for convenience, especially if you were referred in, this is a no-brainer if you're gonna be getting this for free. But it definitely costs a wee bit of money if you're doing this all the time. All right, We're at 263. See, that was $18. That's a pretty penny in my opinion. A charge point would have got me that same total, obviously not that fast, but that's why you're doing supercharging. So $18.01, but letting you know that absolutely, if you need to charge fast and you don't mind that fee, I think supercharging is a for sure win to get back on the road quickly. I mean, by the time I ordered a cup of coffee and probably sipped a fourth of it and gone to the bathroom, the charging would have been complete. Overall, I like it. Now just unplug it, put it back. The port actually closed automatically for me. Air conditioning was on the whole time. This is a win-win in my book, folks. If you liked the video, please thumb that video up. Helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos about the Tesla. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.